Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to create Windows 7 bootable pen drive. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create or make Windows 7 bootable pen drive, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to download Windows 7 ISO file from the Microsoft official website. If you want 32-bit, just type here 32-bit ISO file, or if you want 64-bit, just type here download Windows 7 64-bit ISO file. After downloading it from Microsoft official website, you just need to download another software which is called Power ISO. After downloading this Power ISO, it is a free version. You just need to install this Power ISO version. I had already installed. You just need to open this software. Then click on unregistered, continue unregistered. After clicking here, you can see tools. You just need to click on this, then click on create bootable USB drive. Before clicking, you have to make sure that you have connected your pen drive to your laptop or desktop. If you are not connected, then connect your pen drive. Once you have to format that pen drive, you have to clean all your data on that pen drive. After formatting, open this Power ISO software. Click on the tools, then click on create bootable USB drive. Here you can see your source image file. You just need to browse that file where you have downloaded that Windows 7 ISO file. You can see this is my Windows 7 ISO file. Select this file, then click on open. Here you have to make sure that your pen drive is visible here. If it is not connected properly, then the pen drive is not visible here. After connecting your pen drive, then click on start, then click on OK. Guys, after starting this process, it will take nearly 10 to 15 minutes. You have to wait. After completion of this, just close this window and connect your pen drive to install the Windows. That's it guys. So in this way you can create Windows 7 bootable pen drive. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.